Everybody, Dakota Storms here, reporting for Dickinson, North Dakota. It feels like it's currently 11 degrees because of the wind chills. Speaking of the wind, we're supposed to see gusts of up to 60 later tonight and in early morning hours tomorrow. So it's going to be getting real cold. And yeah, a lot more snow further north of us near Minot. Here in Dickinson, we just got a bit of a grazing, or glazing, I think that's a better word. Anyway, yeah, just putting out some content here, and we'll post anything if there's any